Look, watch.
Yeah.
It didn't really happen that time.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That was a pretty nice one. That was right beside your ear too. Just gotta come over here for a second. How you doing?
You know who also looks like Will Ferrell? The freaking drummer for Red Hot Chili Peppers. Because I think Jimmy Fallon did a skit where it's like both of them sitting there on stage drum battling. I think it was fake. I think it was like recorded audio with like Will Ferrell just going like.
Alrighty. Look at that eagle. Bald eagle.
Oh, chill.
You're gone. That was your Jordan and Brixon.
If he lets go, dude.
I'm gonna see how far I can get out.
Oh, bro, you almost flipped the boat.
Okay.
Do it again.
Dude, I feel like you know freaking when they like rappel on the windows, like the SWAT team, and they like jump into the windows. Dude, CS:GO style, baby. That's really dope. Oh god. Ah! Oh, it is alive. That was part of it.
Oh.
There's his back end.
Chop it to little pieces.
Oh,
We're gonna have to get the camera.
oh, its web is coming out of his butt.
We almost died and Jordan wasn't videoing it. It's terrible. That almost killed us.
I think you're
Look
overreacting.
Look how much it came up.
I think you're
Bro,
overreacting.
I don't want to get in this water.
Yeah!
It's gotta be cold.
I wasn't that worried.
See, we didn't flip immediately, so then I was immediately like, okay, we're not flipping. I just decided that was how it's gonna be.
I thought we were fine, to be honest.
Well, Jordan, you don't know what's happening.
What's going on, Jordan? You don't know the full.
Yeah.